Hey food lovers, today we are making puff puff, that golden fluffy snack that's sweet, soft and totally irresistible. Quick, simple and oh so delicious. Let's dive right in. In a bowl you'll be serving 4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use wheat flour as well or bread flour. After sieving your flour, you add in 6 tablespoons of sugar, meaning 1.5 tablespoon per cup of flour. You can add according to your sugar preferences. And then I go in with 1 teaspoon of salt. Later on, I grate in some cinnamon, about 1/4 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg as well. I used instant yeast. If you don't have the instant yeast, you can proof yours before using. So this is 10 grams of instant yeast, that is 1 tablespoon. I then give in a gentle mix to combine the dry ingredients and then add in lukewarm water. You can use hot water if you are in a haste, or cold water if you have so much time, to about 3 hours for it to proof, but I'm using lukewarm water. I then beat my puff puff thoroughly so we have that elastic stretch to ease the proving. I then clean my bowl and my spatula properly so everything is in one place. I'll allow this to rest for about an hour. An hour is the minimum rising time. You can allow yours for 2 to 3 hours, which is perfect, but here we are already against time, so 1 hour is still good. After an hour, I will then take off the sheet on the puff puff, and voila, can you see this beauty? Our puff puff has risen mightily. I'll just go ahead and clean the lid because we are not wasting anything. We need every part of it. I'll wash my hands since I'll be using it to scoop out the dough. I set my oil on fire. I then take out the air bubbles in the dough by just lifting and mixing everything back together. We do this gently, but no worries, everything is going to rise back as it touches the hot oil. I easily toast it like this because I am used to doing it, but if you are not used to, you can just scoop one puff ball at a time. You can use a spoon, an ice cream spoon, or just fill a plastic container with the help of a funnel, and then you put in your hot oil using a scissors to cut it out, or a knife. So those are other ways you can use to cut out your dough. Just look at this beauty. Just look at this. Are you not salivating already? Make sure your puff ball is golden brown on the outside, or even more than, so that the inside will cook properly. And then your flame should just be at medium high, not high, so that the inside will get ready as well. We are scooping out the last dough. And there is a saying that the first and the last dough are usually problematic. I don't know how true is that. I have witnessed that with donuts Only the last one that was funny, but with puff puff, never. Look at this beauty. Look at the inside, fluffy, not that thick and compacted. I made some hot pepper to accompany with, and then spiced it up with some mayo. The combination is out of this world. Look at my kids enjoying themselves now. What can you say? It was really delicious. Hope you will be trying this sometime very soon. I'll be waiting for your comments or your reviews in the comment section. If you love the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends so you all can enjoy this goodness that melts in the mouth just as it melts in mine. Happy snacking, guys, and remain blessed. See you in our next one. Bye for now.